and gentlemen, we must stick together and live by these core values to fulfill SNRTC's mission and purpose in this business community.
As another journey of ours has begun, let us try to be the best we can be. Enjoy the afternoon again. Thank you very much.
Got a good day coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, just wait and see.
Bihis na bihis tayong lahat. Yung mga babae, naka-makeup. Yung mga iba, hindi ko na nga nakilala. Dahil sa makeup, bihis na bihis, parang kung todo yung mga ano. So, parang bigyan ng subsidy ng 5K isang tao kada yung matigil ka.
Dati may kasabihan, just think out of the box. Mali na po yun. Just think as if there is no box. Never try to kill an idea.
There is only one element existing at the time among us, and that is passion to succeed. Sa wikang Tagalog, pag-ibig at silagbo lang ng damdamin upang magtagumpay ang aming mithiin, itaguyod ang SNRTC.
Ito yung tulong-tulong, kapit-bisig, pakikiisa para itaguyod natin at marami pa tayong anniversaries that we are going to celebrate. Mami,
2, 1! Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it!
Once again, happy 30th anniversary, SNRTC!
A big round of